Apple has finally done it. After a lot of waiting, the iPhone 16e is here. This phone is a big deal because it replaces the SE series and brings some cool upgrades. While it's not as fancy as the top-of-the-line iPhone 16, it still has some great features, especially when it comes to software and AI. Let's take a closer look at what Apple has been working on for the past 3 years since the last iPhone SE came out in 2022. Display and design. The iPhone 16e has a bigger 6.1-inch OLED screen. This means Apple is now using OLED screens for all its phones. The phone still has the notch at the top for the front camera and Face ID, and it keeps a 60 Hz refresh rate, which might feel a bit slow for 2025. The design is similar to the latest iPhones. There's no home button anymore. Instead, you use Face ID to unlock the phone. The old ring/silent switch is gone, replaced by the action button, which was first seen on the iPhone 15 Pro. The phone has an aluminum frame and ceramic shield glass on the front and back, making it feel premium. But you only get two color choices, black and white. Camera. The iPhone 16e has a single 48 megapixel rear camera with a 2x telephoto zoom for better quality zoomed photos. On the front, there's a 12 megapixel selfie camera. The SE series wasn't known for great cameras, but this model is a big improvement. It's good for everyday photos, though it's not as good as the Pro models. Battery and charging. Apple hasn't said exactly how big the battery is, but leaks suggest it's around 3279 mAh. Apple says this is the longest battery life ever on a 6.1-inch iPhone, lasting 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11 and 12 hours longer than any SE model. It charges at up to 20 watt with a wired USB-C charger and supports 15-watt wireless charging. It's a nice upgrade, but not the fastest charging out there. Apple Intelligence. What really makes the iPhone 16e special is Apple Intelligence. This is Apple's AI-powered features, and they're a big deal. The phone has the A18 chipset, the same as the base iPhone 16 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. You can choose between 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes of storage. This is the first time Apple has offered so much storage in a mid-range iPhone. Here are some of the cool AI features. A smarter Siri that can have more natural conversations. This will get even better later. Intelligent search in Safari, which lets you highlight key topics and get quick summaries of web pages. Smart replies in the Mail app, making it faster to respond to emails. Better AI tools and messages for smoother conversations. A Photos feature that can remove unwanted objects from your pictures. High-generated summaries of important info across different apps. 5G and safety features. The iPhone 16e is also the first iPhone to have Apple's own 5G modem chip. This means Apple is trying to rely less on other companies like Qualcomm. It also has some safety and connectivity features like satellite messaging, emergency SOS, roadside assistance, and location sharing with Find My. It even has crash detection, which can call for help if you're in a bad accident. Price and availability. The iPhone 16e comes in 3 versions. 8 gigabytes RAM with 128 gigabytes storage, $599. 8 gigabytes RAM with 256 gigabytes storage, $699. 8 gigabytes RAM with 512 gigabytes storage, $899. You can pre-order it starting Friday, February 21, and it will be available on Friday, February 28. Apple was supposed to launch this phone in March, but moved it up. This might give them an edge over competitors, as other companies are also releasing new mid-range phones soon. For example, Google is launching the Pixel 9a, which is rumored to have a new design and better cameras. Samsung is introducing the Galaxy A30 and Galaxy A50, and nothing is expected to reveal the phone 3a on March 4. The phone 3a might even have a telephoto camera, which is rare for mid-range phones. So where does the iPhone 16e fit in? While it's still a bit pricey, the new AI features, better display, and improved battery life make it a good option for people who want to get into Apple's ecosystem without spending too much. But will it be enough to beat the competition? That's the big question. That's everything you need to know about the iPhone 16e. What do you think? Are you excited about this phone, or are you looking at other mid-range options? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next video.